morning people, welcome you all back to my channel once again. This is Djmahaneet and you're riding with me, Mahaneet. Well, it's another day, another ride. Today is the 3rd of August 2023 and the time right now is 8:15 in the morning. It's a working day. And so I'm doing a solo ride today towards Shivanasamudra, which I missed in the last ride, which we planned to go, but we actually changed and went to Shettihalli. If you've seen my last vlog of Gorur and Shettihalli Dam. Well, it's a beautiful monsoon morning again. You can see all the clouds around. It's very windy, a lot of crosswinds. And if you have noticed, I am on the nice road heading towards Karnataka. I thought I'll have breakfast at that Halaguru Babu hotel in Halaguru, who makes those bamboo idlis, chilbuli I think, chibli idlis. So welcome once again. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. Well, boys and girls, it's time to ride once again. Stay tuned. That's the ride for today. I got the new tires on the bike. Ride for today. I got new tires on the bike. This is the Max. It's a on and off road tire. It's a 60-40 tire. Stock Metzeler's are more like 80-20. So I thought I'll try the more off road bias tires. This is the famous Babu hotel. And this is the famous Babu Idli Hotel, Halaguru. It's just like about a few feet from the main road. Very nice idlis made of bamboos. Come check this if you're in Halaguru. So had some yummy breakfast here at Halaguru. This is the Babu Idli Hotel. Heading to Shivanasamudra from here. If you're in Halaguru surrounding, do visit this hotel. Just off the highway, over like for about 50 feet from the highway. Very nice hotel. Hot idlis made in bamboo, and that red spicy chutney, very nice. Groundnut chutneys. So that's the turn if you're coming on the highway. A small lane. There's a board saying in Kannada, Babu Idli Hotel. I'll put the link in my description box below. So heading to Shivanasamudra from here. After a heavy breakfast, I had quite a bit more than I could eat because it was really yummy. Really hot idlis with that butter was melting in your mouth. This is the beautiful Gaganachukki Bharachukki falls. We're just on the bridge right now. Heavy crosswinds. The bikes are literally shaking like that. The water is full. Last time when I came, there was like just scanty water all over. But this time it's been raining, so the water is full. So we are at Shivanasamudra. So this is the mighty Kaveri river. That must have been the old bridge where built during Devarajara's time. I mean the kings of Mysore, to cross the river. Maybe horses could get across, but right now we have much bigger bridges, couple of them across the river Kaveri. Apparently you have to pay an entry at the gate to enter the Shivanasamudra falls. Bharachukki, Gaganachukki. There are two falls. You can go on both sides of either falls. But if you have a drone, you can sit in one place and cover the whole thing. Hope you like the drone shots I just shot before. I'm going to shoot much more of them ahead. This is the Bharachukki waterfall. I just shot the drone shots. Hope you like them. So there's one more Gaganachukki. So I'm going to check that one also out. That is further down the river or further up the river. I'm not sure. Maybe I think it's down the river. Let's see. It's just about 2 kilometers. And from there I'm going to head back home. Got some work at office. I'm getting calls back to back. Since it's a working day, I thought I should be back by afternoon. Got a bit delayed because I started off a little late. Life of a content creator is always on the go, on the rush. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, also the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. Give me a thumbs up if you do like this video. So there are a lot of streams they've done from the river Kaveri. This is one of the many streams. Well, also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Cheers. This is one of the many canals running along. The canal is actually becoming a lake. So they're riding along the road. Beautiful location. This is alongside the canal and it's running full. The water is almost in the road level due to the excessive monsoon rains around here. They let out all the canals. Everything is open right now. The gates of the dam. So this is a small, shorter route to get to Gaganachukki Falls. Look at that. Beautiful. Crystal clear water. So this is the Bharachukki Falls, other side. Very beautiful, and because of the monsoons it's running full. So that's about my log for today. Hope you liked this entire vlog of Shivanasamudra. Stay tuned until the next one, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. And stay curious. Cheers, adios, and it's goodbye. Also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet, and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Cheers.